We've got the brand new DJI mini drone. Let's see what's in the box. Now, I bought the Fly More combo kit for £299, but you can just get it on its own for £169. Right, let's get it all out on the table and see what we've got in here. Did you notice that you don't even get a bag with this model? So the first thing out of the box, we've got the brand new DJI RC M3 controller. You'll notice, of course, that there's no screen with this controller, so you are going to have to plug your phone into it. This is the iPhone, of course, one of the newer versions, which is a USB, so you do get the cable with that one. And you also, if you've got the old style iPhone, which uses the lightning cable, that comes in the box too. So next out the box is the new battery charger, and also you get 2 batteries with it as well. And this charger, you can actually charge 3 batteries at the same time. That's if you have it connected to a fast 40-watt charger. If not, it'll still charge 2 at the same time. You get a cute little screwdriver too, which you're going to need if you want to change the blades. So talking about blades, you get one new propeller for the front and one for the back, just in case you manage to crash it on your first outing. It also comes with all your safety instructions and probably information about guarantees. I never really read them. You get these trendy stickers as well. I don't know what you're going to do with them, but some people might want them. So here's the drone itself. I must say, it does feel very robust. We've got a little battery in the back, as you've seen before. It easily just clips out there, just like that. It's a lot smaller than the batteries I'm used to with the other drones. This is a comparison between the Mini 3. We have these propeller guards on it as well, which hopefully stop it from smashing up when you hit into trees and things like that, and stop me poking my fingers into it. And here's a comparison between the size. You can see it's still going to easily fit into your pocket. And a weight comparison too, so you've got 249 grams for the Mini 3 and only 135 grams for the Neo. Camera wise, we've got a 1/2-inch sensor which will do 4K video and 12 megapixel stills. Here's your little USB port for charging and for importing onto your computer if you're going to do it that way. You can also use the app. Right, let's get it outside and try some of them autonomous modes. So there's several ways we can fly this drone. You can do it autonomously just from your hand. You can use your phone connected to the DJI app, and you can also use several different remote controls. I'm mainly interested in using it sort of as a vlogging drone, so it'll just take off from my hand and it'll follow me around, and you know, you don't have to use any controllers or anything. So let's have a look and see what it can do just on its own. So you start and stop it by just a single click and then a long click, and then it'll burst into life. And it's exactly the same to stop it as well. So we've got the control to do all these different quick shots, or tricks as I call them. And you do this by using this button at the front here, and you just press it once and then once again. You can see all the different ones there. I hope it is in focus.
Follow.
That was a follow. Droney.
Circle.
Circle.
Rocket.
Rocket.
Spotlight.
Spotlight.
Direction track.
And direction track. So I think the first one what we'll try is just a droney. So let's get it back to that. Droney. So here we go. So what we do is we just stand. It has to be facing you. You just put it on your hand like this, and you just press and hold it just for a short while.
4 meters. Droney. 3, 2, 1.
Here we go. Go on then, do it. Do your droney. What do you think of all this then? We've got the beautiful headland in the background there, all the different piers. It's not too windy today. It's done 4 meters and now it's coming back. It recorded us going out, it's recording me coming back, and it'll just come to me and it'll land on my hand. Come on then, little fella. There we go. What do you think of that? Right, let's have a go at the rocket, see what that one does. So same thing, you just press and hold it.
4 meters. Rocket. 3, 2, 1.
Off you go, up you go. Come on then. Are you going up? There it goes. And now it should be coming down. 4 meters it's supposed to be going, but you can change the parameters. So it's going to record going up, and then it'll stop recording, and then it'll record coming down again. And hopefully, it's not exactly coming back down to where Oh, I guess it is. Come on then. Oh, bit of wind got hold of it there. There you go, brilliant. I wanted to show you what the circle does, but I'm not quite sure how far it's going to fly around. And we do have, if Brenda points over there, we do have a bit of a little lighthouse on the end there.
Circle.
There we go. So we're on circle now. We've picked circle. So we're going to press and hold it again.
2 meters.
2 meters. So it's not going to go too far.
Take off. Aircraft in motion.
What did you say? It said something or other. Not sure what it said.
2 meters. Circle. 3, 2, 1.
Here we go. So it's going to go up and it's just going to fly around us now. There's nothing in its way. Hopefully it doesn't fall into the sea. It's just going to fly all the way around us. Hopefully it doesn't bang into the back of my head. It'll come back to where it started. And that should come back towards me. There you go, brilliant. So you can change the parameters in the app to, so you've seen that was only like a sort of small circle. It was only 2 meters away from us. So you can set it at different parameters, so at different distances and a different height as well, so it's looking down at you. So the next one I'm going to do is a spotlight mode.
Spotlight.
Spotlight, so there we go. So what this one's going to do is it's just going to go up in the air like that, and it is actually going to stay where it is, and when I walk about it, it's going to follow me around like this. So it's great for doing a little bit of vlogging, or if you're walking about, like talking about something. Let's have a go, let's see what happens. So if Brenda gets a little close-up look at it, you'll be able to watch what it actually does. So I'm just going to walk around here, and can you see it's following me? So I could be just sort of like talking about, oh, over here we've got the headland, which is another fantastic place to visit in Hartlepool. And if you come round this way, I'll just show you this area. So we've got the docks over here, or the marina as we like to call it, and there's the lock gates. And if you just have a little look round here, you can see we have the yacht club. It's following Brenda now. So it didn't stick on me, it actually followed you. So if you stay there, right, are you going to follow me? I don't know, I think it's got confused. So you don't know what's happening there. If you move around.
I walked in front of it, that was the reason.
So has it lost me?
Yes.
All right, let's bring it back.
Try again.
I would have preferred it to have been a bit further up in the air. I wonder if we can change the parameters on that. I'll have a look in the app and let you know. So basically, it just stays where it is and it just spins round and follows you. So now Brenda's not getting in the way. You can see it's following me, but now Brenda's here. Is it going to follow me back? Ah, you didn't know, did you? Yeah, you did well. You did well. Come on then, you can have a little land. You can have a little relax. I've put it in direction track now, so I'm going to have it follow me first, and then I'm going to turn around and see if it'll follow me as I'm coming towards it, if you know what I mean. Anyway, let's have a look, see what it does.
Medium. Direction track. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's off. Right, let's have a look. Are you following me? Is it coming? Come on then, follow me. So we're going in a bit of a circle just to give it a little chance to show you what its capabilities are. And hopefully it doesn't bang into anything. Yeah, it's doing quite good there. There you go. I'm just going to stop. Put my hand out, and it's coming to me. What a good lad you are. Come on then. There you go. So that worked pretty well, didn't it? We went round in virtually a full circle. So I'm going to try it the other way now and see if it'll follow me going forward.
3, 2, 1.
Right, we're going to walk around in a circle now. Let's see how it goes. Oh, I'm a bit more dubious about it. Going this way. Oh, it is following me. Oh, it's gone out at sea. I'm not happy about that. It's over the rocks, but it is following me. Sort of doing it from the side, isn't it? Is it because I'm going in a circle? Come back, come back, come back, fella. Come back. Aye, come by, lad, come by. All right, come on. We'll have to have a look what that looked like. Are you coming back? Right, I'll stand still. Hands in my pockets. Come on then. Good lad. Where have you gone? There you go. So we'll have a look, see what that video looks like, whether it was smooth or it was a bit rough. I got a bit scared because it was sort of like, it was coming out over the rocks and the wind sort of got up a little bit. I can see in the distance there that the wind turbines have started spinning around quite a lot now, and it's only level 4 wind resistance, so you've got to be careful. You can't take it out when it's too windy. All right, we're going to try it in a straight line.
2, 1.
Hands in my pockets. It's gone off to the left. I don't know why it's gone off to the left. So, like, I'll just keep on walking, see how it goes. Now it's come in front of me now. So you can be sort of walking along, just doing a vlog. Ain't milk brilliant? That kind of thing, you know. I don't know what happens if I come over here. Oh, it's gone over the sea again. Yeah, it got a bit close to the lamppost, didn't it? So I'll stand still. I'll stand still, there you go. It doesn't really like you moving about too much. I think it likes you walking in a straight line. What do you think of the video quality? I haven't really looked yet. It's a nice sunny day, isn't it? Well, you probably can't see the clouds. Brenda can point up at the clouds and show you what it's like. We could be going to get a downpour in a minute, and it definitely won't be waterproof. Anyway, I think that's enough for now. We'll end the video there. We'll catch it. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you like. And we'll carry on with some more tutorials in the next one. It's come back. Here it comes. Bye-bye now.